Hey there, gorgeous soul. I hope you're ready for an incredible journey. Today, we're diving deep into a topic close to my heart, self-worth. It's something we all need to understand and embrace. Get ready to unlock a powerful force within you. This force is not just a feeling, it's a life-changing realization. This force can transform your life in ways you never imagined. It can open doors you thought were closed forever. Self-worth is the belief that you are inherently valuable and deserving. It's about more than just feeling good about yourself. It's about recognizing your inherent dignity and worthiness. It's about knowing that you matter, no matter what. It has nothing to do with what others think or say about you. Your worth is not determined by external opinions. When you truly believe in your worth, you radiate confidence. You set healthy boundaries. You respect yourself and others. You go after your dreams with gusto. You pursue your passions with a newfound energy and determination. Remember, you are worthy simply because you exist. Your value is intrinsic and unchangeable. Get ready to step into your power. Embrace your self-worth and watch your life transform in beautiful ways. Self-worth is the bedrock of a fulfilling life. It's the secret sauce to sky-high confidence and unstoppable success. When you believe in yourself, you take risks. You embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. You bounce back from setbacks with resilience. Believing in yourself unlocks your potential. You attract amazing opportunities. You build strong, healthy relationships. You create a life you love. Start by acknowledging your inherent worth. This is the first step to unlocking your full potential. Here's the thing. So many of us tie our self-worth to external factors. We often find ourselves constantly seeking approval from others, whether it's through social media, our jobs, or even our personal relationships. We chase likes on social media, hoping that each notification will make us feel a little more valued. We seek validation from others, craving their approval to feel good about ourselves. We let external achievements define our worth, believing that success and recognition are the ultimate measures of our value. But here's the truth bomb. None of these external factors truly define who we are. Your worth is not determined by your job title, your relationship status, or the accolades you receive. It's not about the number of followers you have or the likes you get on your posts. True self-worth comes from within. It's about understanding and embracing your inherent value as a human being. It's about recognizing your inherent value as a human being. You are enough just as you are. You are worthy simply because you are you. Full stop. No external validation needed. Let go of the need for external validation. Release the pressure to conform to others' expectations. Step into the freedom of knowing your worth from within. Embrace the journey of self-discovery and self-acceptance. Section 4, Practical Steps to Cultivate Your Self-Worth. In this section, we will explore actionable steps you can take to build and nurture your self-worth. Ready to cultivate unshakable self-worth? Awesome! Let's get practical. Building self-worth is a journey, and every small step counts. Here are a few of my favorite exercises that you can incorporate into your daily routine to boost your self-esteem and self-worth. Write down 3 positive affirmations, starting with I am. These affirmations should reflect your true potential and inherent worth. For example, I am worthy of love and respect. I am capable of achieving my dreams. Or I am strong, confident, and resilient. These statements are powerful reminders of your value. Make sure to choose affirmations that resonate deeply with you and reflect your personal journey and aspirations. Repeat these affirmations daily, feeling the truth of each word. The more you say them, the more you will start to believe in them. Take a few minutes to reflect on a moment in your life when you felt proud of yourself. What did you accomplish? How did it make you feel? Write down all the details, big or small. This exercise helps you to recognize and celebrate your achievements, reinforcing your self-worth. Reflecting on your past successes can provide a boost of confidence and remind you of your capabilities. Write down all the details, big or small. This exercise helps you to recognize and celebrate your achievements, reinforcing your self-worth. Stand in front of a mirror and look into your own eyes. This exercise is about connecting with yourself on a deeper level. Repeat your affirmations with conviction. Look at yourself with kindness and compassion. This might feel a little silly at first, but trust me, it's powerful. Over time, you will start to see yourself in a more positive light. These practical steps, when practiced consistently, can significantly enhance your self-worth. Remember, you are worthy, you are capable, and you are enough. Keep going and never underestimate the power of self-belief. Section 5. Embrace your worth, unleash your potential. Remember, building self-worth is a journey, not a destination. It's about consistently showing up for yourself and reinforcing your inherent value. Every small step counts. When you truly embrace your worth, you unlock a world of possibilities. You step into your power, you become unstoppable. So keep going, my friend. You are worthy, you are capable, and you are destined for greatness. Next time, we'll explore the power of a growth mindset. It's time to ditch limiting beliefs and embrace the incredible capacity you have to learn and grow.